You know why some of our progress is stagnant like Dr. Water in a market side in our life? It's because we use the mouth too much. And we walk around with the term friend to just about everybody. Stop using that term so vapidly. Because not everybody in your life mean you're good. Since you never know me, there's a bust your bubble today, and not everybody in your life mean you're good. Friends should be loyal, supportive, caring, genuine, empathetic. You understand me? Be a listening ear when you want somebody to. You don't need people in your life who are quite the contrary. Disloyal, they're never available, they're not respectful, they pretend to love you but they really don't. They pretend for one to see the best of you but they really don't. Those people you don't need in your life. You understand me? You have some people when you go to them with something, cause you think they're genuine friends. You know some want to do this. Oh no, it can't work. Before you even expound on the idea to them shoot it down. Because they see that the idea has ability and they cannot wait for you to drop it so that they can go and create a counterfeit or a clone to that idea. Be careful of those people. You have some people in your life where you do your ear them want them ear the same way. No one next color the same one be them want the one be to the care where you drive them want a care like it. The job where you have them want a job like it. The school where you go them want to go to school like them want to go to school too. You understand me? Just about everything. Those are imitators. You don't need them in your lives. You understand me? Because just about everything where you do, them a try imitate you. It's not a compliment. Nobody feels that somebody want to be like you. Listen, nothing is wrong with somebody looking up to you. You understand me? And admiring you. But when somebody want to come be you, then you have to be careful. You have to look out. Assess your life right now. See who need to be in your life. Who no need to be in there. Make them go on. And for the trash that took itself out, make it stay. The garbage man will deal with it. You understand me? You have to assess your life because some people are holding down your progress. Me, I tell you. Them say experience teachers when I tell you no. Some people are holding on the progress because they're not believing now no. Because them want to be. Them can't wait for no meet on the device. Any way, shape, or form for no come out of the picture, that them want to wait. But that them a wait pan. And I do understand our propensity as human beings to want to believe the best of everybody. But we must not ignore the potencies of our intuition. They're strong. When we choose to ignore certain things, our intuitions are there to say, something not right. Get them people out on a life. Get the counterfeits out, get the clones out, get the imitators out. Those are followers that you don't need in your life. Because trust me, you will never progress. You will never progress. They're hindrance in your lives right now, and you will never progress. And not everybody you have to call friend, and not everybody a friend. Be careful who you confide in as popcorn. Say, be careful who you make pour your liquor. Because some of them can't wait for the dead. You understand me? And enough of them no want to progress in their life. Me I tell you no. I've been there and I've done it. And that is why I come tell you say, I know everybody want to call friend a friend. And be careful who you open up to. Enough of them not genuine. You understand me? Enough of them. I mean, no. But it's all good, you know? Sometimes we just need a little reminder. Assess your lives. Get rid of who get rid of. Who stay, let them stay. But you'll never experience progress with those hindrances in your life. Alright?